and Group has partnered with CreateASoft to develop and deploy a breakthrough digital twin model of the Lebanon, Tennessee warehouse facility, incorporating simulation, real-time reporting, and dynamic AI capabilities into daily operational workflows for data-driven decision-making. The inbound returns processing lines are represented in Digital Twin Studio, using real data from the warehouse LNS and WNS to provide total labor visibility with real-time efficiency and task reporting. Digital Twin Studio can help operators be more efficient by providing real-time directed put-away instructions, while management can tap into AI-powered optimization with increased efficiency potential presented automatically. Adding automation, Digital Twin Studio helps warehouse managers choose the right provider, fleet size, and bot type before signing any contracts, and offers real-time monitoring and reporting once the bots hit the floor. With Digital Twin Studio, and Group is pioneering the future of supply chain AI, ensuring competitive advantage and operational agility with intelligent data-driven solutions.